Hello everyone! So last week I posted on my Instagram that I wanted 5 models to do hair color on, and I got a lot of girls replying and contacting me asking to do their hair. I picked only 5. It was really hard, but I did it. My very first model, which you're going to see shortly, is Andrea, and we wanted to give her a very low maintenance balayage. Just in something brighter, just to brighten her up and get her ready for summer. I filmed the whole process. This is my first time filming the whole process, so I'm not sure if it's a good quality video or not. If you have any tips or suggestions on how I can improve that, let me know. I'll be more than happy to take those into consideration. And without any further ado, I hope you guys enjoy the video, and if you guys want to like, subscribe, and share this video, that would be awesome. I'll see you guys later. Bye. Okay, here I'm starting with some Redken Flash Lift with 40 volume. I also added a pH bonder to make sure we keep the integrity of her hair and keep her hair nice and healthy throughout the process. I sectioned her off, and I'm starting about 3 to 4 inches above her natural hair growth. So I proceeded this process and just following the natural shape of her head. So I just pick out a section and hold the hair taut, like at 45 to 90 degrees, and I start painting on the product very lightly, and the more I saturate, the lighter that part is going to get. So I'm concentrating more towards the ends, and I saturate it a lot, just make sure I get a lot of product on there. Moving towards the front, I grab the sections at a slight angle and then I concentrate more towards the front of her face so that when it all dries out and it's all done, you can see a lot of brightness on her face. After I finished my application, I went ahead, took her to the shampoo bowl and pulled her out, and this is what it looks like. I'm really happy with the results, and I know she was really happy too, so I can't wait to keep doing more of these videos, and I hope y'all enjoyed it. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.